What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to delete your Patreon account. In order to do this, we'll need to go over to the Patreon Privacy Policy Center. The link to this will be in the description down below. On this page, at the top right corner, you can see Make Privacy Request. And this is because if you want to delete your Patreon account, you need to make a privacy request. And one of the requests is to delete your account. When you go over to click on Make a Privacy Request, you might of course want to first of all click on Download so you can receive a full report containing your personal data on Patreon. Then after which, you can go ahead and click on Erase, which will erase your personal data from the system. When you do this, you'll need to click on the Allow button to allow Transcend, which is a data deletion partner, to view your personal account and have access to it. If you're not logged in, you'll be asked to log into your Patreon account. This is important if you'd like to erase your account. A window will appear asking you to confirm the erasure of your account data. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.